Case you have also joined any company by name of high tech and you receive a legal notice from any advocate saying that you have not completed the work, so that you are supposed to pay the company penalty charge, otherwise legal action will be taken against you and you have to come to the court and police station. Your career will get spoiled. Your parents have also come to the police station, and like this they are sending you a notice under court clearance, breach of fact, breach of contract under Indian Contract Act IPC 420 section 73, and demanding a money from you that you have not completed the work, you have even submit your QC report is failed, and you are supposed to pay the company. This is a legal intimation which you receive mainly on your mail ID or to your given address. Our lawyer is going to advise you each and everything in this matter, so that you don't have to pay any amount to them. You don't have to worry about getting any legal notice to your address or going to any court or police station or facing any legal issue. Even if it is required on your behalf, we can talk to them, so that you don't have to worry about it and you are able to save your time and money and live your life with love, peace and happiness. Like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, be with us for any legal matter. We are 24/7 hour available.